Hola chicas and chicas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilena and this is my channel. So in today's video I came back with another makeup tutorial. I don't think it's makeup tutorial, it's makeup look. I will recreate my makeup look with my old makeup. So recently I found a bag of my old makeups and I create this idea that I want to recreate. I want to do a makeup with my old makeup. I don't think the makeup are expired because it is not even a year since I bought the makeup. Or some of makeup I'm using, I don't have it in my old bag. It's my new you guys understand. It's my new one because I don't have some, because like my eyebrow stuff, my foundation, I didn't have on my old makeup because it already finished already. So I'm taking this in my new makeup bag. I'm putting in this video so I can combine them together and I will use them. So before we go to this video, please give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me to my social media. Please don't skip the video, watch the video until the end.
I can only imagine. I want to know if you will be.
Using this concealer to cream my brow. I have the same concealer like this, but my new one is too bright for my skin tone. This one is like really good for my skin tone because the color is like it's almost there. And we have this thing over here. My new one, you have to take something else to put on, and yeah, it's different. I like this one better. So it's kind of brow. Okay guys, this is everything. So I really like this makeup look with my old products. So the foundation I use is my new foundation because I don't have old foundation. My lipstick is new and the lip gloss and everything. I recorded, but I thought it was recording, but it wasn't recording. So please, this is everything. If you guys like this video, give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me to my social media. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.